Hi everybody, welcome back to PhotoLX. Well, here's the dilemma. You've noticed I haven't been posting very much, and the problem is I just can't figure out what my style is. You know, I look at some of the great YouTubers like Casey Neistat, Steve Yallo. I see how they do things, and I'm like, well, I don't want to be like them. It's very difficult to find a style that you feel comfortable with that doesn't make you look like you're trying to copy someone else. So I'm still working on that. However, I've been trying to take some videos. If you look on my Instagram site, you'll see a lot of my photos that I've been taking here in Siem Reap. But basically, that's what I've been doing. I've been trying to figure out my style. But the other day was almost the last day of the Cambodian New Year. And here in Cambodia, what they do is they tend to do something similar to Thailand. They do, you know, the Songkran festival in Thailand. They spray water and cover each other with water. Well, they do something similar here in Cambodia. So Pub Street's the place to be if you want to experience this. So I went down there on Saturday night. I sat on the sidelines, I drank some beer, and I took some video. It's okay, but you know, after a while, I kind of thought to myself, this is pretty boring for the viewer. So in the end, I have a GoPro clone, which has a waterproof housing. So I put away my big camera, I got my GoPro out, turned it on, and I just went out there and basically got soaked. But it was so much fun. So here's just a little bit of video to give you some idea of what that experience was like. If you haven't been here before, please consider subscribing. Please hit the notification bell, give us a like, comment. If you have questions about the places I'm traveling to, please leave us questions. We'd love to hear from you. And as I say, thanks for stopping by. And in the next few days, hopefully no longer than days, weeks maybe, but I will find my own style and then I'll be posting more regularly. But here you go. Here's something for the meantime, okay?